I just found a YouTube channel that's making over $25,000 per month. And when I took a closer look, I discovered something that literally shocked me. This channel has managed to get nearly 1 billion views, and they are still pulling in millions of views on literally every video they post. But trust me, they didn't achieve these numbers by luck. You see, starting a Faceless channel in 2025 is the easiest it's ever been, and that's because AI content is blowing up like crazy. While some channels out there are struggling to push out new content, with AI you can create videos that are literally better than the original ones they are posting. And you can do it in under 10 minutes. But I need to warn you, this isn't just a get-rich-quick scheme. If you're not ready to put in the work, this isn't for you. But if you're serious and want to start a successful Faceless channel, what I'm about to show you will absolutely blow your mind. And let me explain why. I've spent countless hours analyzing this channel, their strategy, their approach, their videos, and what I found is that this niche is the perfect one to start your channel in. What's even crazier is that while some creators struggle for days trying to figure this out, in this video, I'll show you their exact strategy from start to finish. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start a successful channel in this same niche. But the channel you create will be even better than the original. And trust me, this isn't about making just another random YouTube channel that dies out. In this video, I'll show you how to create a truly profitable channel that actually has the potential to go viral. The first step is creating a channel that perfectly matches the niche. So now I'm going to show you how to create a perfectly branded channel. For this step, we will use a tool called DeepSeek. So go ahead and open it. Once you are in, the first thing you need to do is ask DeepSeek to create 10 channel name ideas that you will use for a channel in the fake text niche. Once you've entered the prompt, simply click generate, and within seconds, you've just created the perfect channel names that you can use. Now, just pick the name that you like, and after that, ask DeepSeek to create a human channel description. Here, enter the name that you have chosen, and after that, make sure to include that you want the description to be fully SEO optimized. Next, go ahead and click generate, and as easy as that, you've created a description that fully matches the channel. Now go ahead and create the channel. Input the channel name, then choose a unique channel handle, and also don't forget to add the description. Once you are done with that, you are still missing the channel logo. So now let me show you how you can create a perfectly branded logo, and trust me, the results will blow your mind. To do that, head back into DeepSeek and ask it to create a logo image prompt for a channel in the fake text niche. You can stop the video here and copy the full prompt, or you can find all of the prompts that I will be using in this video in my Telegram channel linked below. Okay, once you have the full prompt, simply click generate and DeepSeek will give you a perfect image prompt for the logo. Now, just copy the prompt that you have generated, and to create the logo, we will use a tool called Leonardo AI. So go ahead and open it. Once you are in, on the left side, you will find the image creation tool, and that is exactly what you will need to open. Now watch closely. For the image preset, you need to select Leonardo Phoenix for the best results. And as for the image dimensions, make sure to set it as 1:1 since that's the dimension that you need for the logo. Once that's set, go ahead and paste the logo prompt into the prompt box and click generate. This process will take around 30 seconds, and once that's done, boom. You've just created some insane logo examples that really stand out. If we take a closer look, we can see that the logo has the perfect details and it's pretty good. So now just choose the logo that you want, then download it by clicking on the download button. Then head back to YouTube. Here, click on the logo upload button and upload the logo that you've just created. And just like that, your channel is set. Now let me show you something that will help you boost your channel's visibility, which none of the gurus out there talk about. If you head over into the channel settings and open the channel menu, here you will find a box where you can include the channel keywords. Now let me show you how you can create the perfectly SEO optimized keywords, which will boost your channel's visibility. To do that, we will use a tool called vidIQ, which is specifically made for YouTube SEO optimization. Once you are in, vidIQ has a free AI coach, which you can find on the left side, so go ahead and open it. Here, ask the coach to give you a list of highly relevant channel keywords for your channel name, which you need to input right here, and make sure to use the exact prompt that I'm using for the best results. Now just click generate, and the AI coach will give you a list of the most perfectly optimized keywords for your channel. Now that you have the keywords ready, make sure to copy them. Then head back into YouTube and paste them into the channel keyword section. And that's pretty much it. Now simply save the settings, and after that, don't forget to click publish. And just like that, your channel is ready. Now listen, before you even get to make your first video, there's an important step right at the beginning of video creation. That important step is creating a video script. You see, it doesn't matter if your video is high quality and has good visuals. Without a good script, you'll still get little to no engagement. And now you are probably thinking, how can I create a script that can actually go viral? viral? That's a nice question. You see, in order to create a viral script, the only proven method is to copy a script that another creator has used to go viral. But, of course, you don't want to copy the exact script. So now, I'll show you how to create your own original script based on a script that's already proven to work. Go ahead and open a channel in the same niche that's already getting good results. Here, click on the popular button, and the most popular videos on that channel will show up. Once you are here, simply choose a video with a good amount of views and open it. On the right side, you will find the share button, so click on it and copy the video link. Once that's done, head over to a tool called Tactic. This tool is free and we'll use it to transcribe the competitor's video. So simply paste the video link into the link section, then click on Get Video Transcript. This process is instant, and just like that, you've exported the full video script and you are ready for the next step. To start off, copy the transcribed video script from Tactic and head over to DeepSeek. Now, paste the script that you have copied and ask DeepSeek to remove the timestamps from the script since you don't really need them. And as easy as that, you have the script template ready. Once that's done, ask DeepSeek to create a similar script to the one you included above, but make sure to use the exact prompt that I'm using, since I have created this prompt specifically for this type of videos, and it will always give you a unique and viral script. Okay, now that you have imported the full prompt, simply click Generate. And as easy as that, you have just made your own original script that is perfect. As you can see, the script includes the sender and the receiver, which might be confusing for you, but this is super important, and I will explain why in just a moment. But first, let me explain the process of creating this kind of videos. You see, I have tried to recreate these videos using Canva, and to be honest, while I was able to create a pretty good video, it took me multiple hours for only one video, which is a no-brainer, and that's why I found an insane AI tool. Instead of wasting more than 3 hours in Canva for just one video, with this tool I was able to create an even better video in just under 10 minutes, which literally shocked me. The tool that I'm talking about is called Short AI, and now I will show you how to create an insanely good video using the script you just made. Once you have your full video script ready, open Short.ai. Since we're creating a fake text video, go ahead and open the fake text video tool. Here you'll see the text characters, basically the sender and the receiver. In our script, we have Blake as the sender and Jenna as the receiver. So write Jenna in the name box. After that, head into the messages. This is where you'll add your blank messages. To make it easy, click Add Left, then click Add Right. Keep alternating until you have 20 text boxes ready to go. Now go back to your script. Copy the first message and paste it into the first text box. Copy the second message and paste it into the second box. Repeat this process for the entire script. Once all messages are added, your text flow will look exactly like a real conversation. Next, go to the theme menu. Here, you'll find different text layouts to choose from. I personally prefer dark mode, so that's what I'll use. Pick whichever style you like best. Next, go to the voices menu, and you'll see options for character voices. Pick the voice you want for each character, and you're all set. Finally, click Create Video. Boom! Your video is ready. All that's left is to click Download, and that's it. You now have a perfect fake text video ready to share. Let's take a look at how the final video turns out.
Jenna, I need you to come over right now. It's an emergency of the highest order.
What's wrong? Did your sourdough starter revolt again?
Worse, my sister left her pet here while she's on vacation.
Okay, and you're scared of Mr. Puffkins, the 15-year-old Persian? He just sleeps and judges.
It's not Mr. Puffkins. She got a new pet.
A dog? A rabbit? Just tell me, I'm getting my shoes on.
It's a snake, a python. His name is Monty.
Oh, okay, that's new. But snakes are low maintenance. Just keep the tank closed.
The tank is not closed, Jenna.
This is just a short sample of the full video, and as you can see, it came out pretty good. Now let's head over and upload it on YouTube. Go ahead and open YouTube Studio and click Create, then upload the video you just made. While the video is uploading, you'll notice that we're missing the video title, so now let me show you how to create the perfect title that will get views like crazy. To do that, open the chat where you created the video script in DeepSeek. Here, ask DeepSeek to generate a highly clickable title based on the script, but don't forget to copy the full prompt I'm using for the best results. And boom, you've just created the perfect video title. Now, just copy it, then head over to YouTube and paste it into the title box. Now, for the video description, since this is a short form video, leave that blank. Below that, make sure to select that the video is not made for kids. Next, if we head over to the video check section, you'll see there are no copyright issues, so you are good to go. And finally, set the video to public and hit publish. And just like that, you've uploaded your first video and it's ready to blow up. The last thing you need to do is sit back and watch as your video rakes in hundreds of thousands of views. But hey, if you think you can build a successful channel with just one video, you're wrong. To make this work, you need to upload daily, and trust me, if you stay consistent and don't give up, your channel will eventually blow up. Keep pushing, and I'll see you in the next one.